Hello, natural beauties. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nat, and today is going to be another indie unboxing. So I recently stopped my no-buy, and in doing so, I decided that I wanted to put more of my money towards smaller independent makeup brands. So today I am featuring a brand curated by my friend here on YouTube, Chanel, and her makeup brand is called Embrace Your Beauty. And so here is my haul and one little loose item, and I'm so excited to jump into this. First off, I ordered a lot of lip products, and when it comes to my makeup stash, it's pretty large, but I never feel bad about buying lip products because I feel like I can go through them like that. And so when I saw she had lip products, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna check them out. So that's what we're gonna do today. Please stay tuned to the very end. I have a couple other things that I want to talk about that also relate to indie makeup, and it includes these lashes because I had another pair that I got in another indie unboxing, and I posted a look with them on Instagram, and y'all went gaga over them. So if you're interested in these lashes and the indie brand that I purchased them from, stay tuned to the very end. We are going to go ahead and get started. I don't have anything on my lips because I got some new products to play with. So the first thing that you need to know is that Chanel is kind, beautiful, inventive. She is a mother of 3 beautiful boys, and I enjoy her videos so much because I can put them on and I can feel like we're sitting there together, and it feels like she's just one of my homegirls. So go check her out on her YouTube and also on her website. Let her know I sent you. Let's give her some pineapple emojis and tell her that I sent you her way. So here we go. That's my packaging slip. And then right here we have a cute little like thank you card, and that's always a nice little touch. It's one of the things that I love about indie brands because you're getting it from an actual person. And so on the back it says, Natasha, thank you so much for your purchase. I would appreciate if you can share and tag us on Instagram. And it also gives me a coupon code for 10% off, and I love that because the company that I purchased these lashes from also sent me a coupon code. If I'm being honest, I've gone back to the website at least like 2 or 3 times, but they tend to be sold out of some of their lashes, but I can't wait to use my coupon. So I'm glad to see a coupon in here. So on top we have a free sample, and you can see her little sticker and her emblem there, and I think that's so cute. And it says, here's a freebie for spending $20. Now, I'm not going to swatch all of these because I recently hit 500 subscribers, and I'm thinking about sending some of these your way. So this is going to be one of the ones that I do not swatch, but that's a really nice free sample, y'all. Now, this is like a summer lip kit, I believe. And I think that this is so cute. This is the spring collection set. And I just love the packaging. Look at that. And it opens right here on top. And oh, so this is one of the items that I really wanted. And when I saw that this was in a set, I was like, okay, maybe I'll just get the set. So I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know the individual pieces in here. But you can see that it has some flower petals, and I love that. I love the look of it. I love the aesthetic that it creates, and I was really excited. I'm going to try this just because I really wanted this one, and that's really nice and shiny. Looks like I have some glitter on my lips. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a nice formula. And I have seen a few other people try these. Faye Blatcher, she's another one of mine and Chanel's friends here on YouTube. Check her out. I will have her listed down below as well. But she did an unboxing, and she talked about the formula, and I love that it feels like almost like a glaze, and it's not sticky. It's a really interesting and nice formula, and I love that it's shiny and glossy all on its own because you can never ever go wrong with this. This is the type of product that I would keep in my my lab pocket, like my jacket pocket. I would keep this at my desk. I would leave this in my car. That way I always have something that I could use no matter what I am wearing. So that is a great first impression, y'all. I really like that. And then you can see these cute little packaging, you know, papers in here that just kind of adds a nice little touch. Now here are these two, and I'm very torn now because this is a clear lip gloss, and the one that we just tested is also clear, but it's got the petals in it. But you can never go wrong with clear. So that makes me think maybe I should include it in a giveaway. But then my greedy side is like, oh, but you can never go wrong with clear, Nat. Like, you'll use that. And I probably would. But for now, I'm not going to swatch this. Nice little details there. See those? Very pretty. So here is the next product that we have. And it's got a really nice coral glitter shimmer in it. It may have very fine silver glitter in it. I don't mind glitter. I actually really like it in lip products, unless it's like chunky or something. We are going to put this one right on top of that clear lip gloss that we just put on, and just see how they kind of layer. Now, oh, you can see it. I had to look at it really close, but the glitter in here is so very fine. And I don't feel anything at all. There's no texture. It is nice and silky. I will say that not a whole lot of product comes out. Maybe that's because I kind of have bigger lips, so I just need more. But I mean, that wouldn't keep me from buying it. I care more about the formula and stuff. But I will tell you a trick that I learned from Hank and Henry. Their lip products kind of do the same thing. So they recommend that you go in and out and wipe it on the edge and the side right here. And then just scoop it and pick it all up. And that gives you, you know, more than you would have gotten with just one little go. I am going to go ahead and swatch this as well, just because I want to see how they look. And it has barely any color, and it's just really nice and shiny. And I don't mind that it doesn't have any color, because we can use it on everything or just on its own. But look at that shine. Very, very pretty. So now I got another one. This is separate. I was really excited about this one. This is a gloss oil in Beach Dreams. Now, one thing is I love cool tones, lavenders especially. And I know this isn't lavender, but that pastel blue is just gorgeous. And if I'm being honest, I hope a little bit of that tint comes across on the swatch. And it also has like some glitter and some chunks in here, which I like and I appreciate, because that's part of the fun of makeup for me, is, you know, kind of changing it up sometimes. It's not like necessarily about like changing how I look. I just love the color therapy. Okay, so I got some, and we're just going to swatch this. And it does have a little bit of color to it. You see that reflection? Does that look the same to y'all? I don't think it looks the same. And one still has a little bit of a shimmer to it. But look at that stuff in there. So I'm hoping to get that out. And to try it. I'm gonna just stack these, y'all. Such a gorgeous formula, really. Oh, got a little bit of a shimmer there. And I love glitter lips. I don't know if, I haven't seen it recently, but I love when people put glitter on their lips. And that really only had a little bit in it, but smells really good. I do have really bad allergies, so I can't always smell stuff, but I really like the way that this feels, y'all. I think it is very, very promising. And I'm so excited to be able to support her. Now, we do have 3 more in the bag. I'm going to keep that bag as well because it is super cute. And so here we go. This is like a coral. You can see that gorgeous glitter in there. And it's a really like a soft lavender. and I think it's very pretty. Very nice. And then we have a pink one. This one has no glitter in it, but a very nice color. And then a very soft baby pink. So, and this one doesn't have any glitter in it as well. So let me see. I think I'll probably be okay giving this color away. So I'm not gonna swatch that one. And like I said, I like glitters, so we're going to swatch and try this one. Okay, that comes right out, no problem. Oh, that's like a jelly kind of consistency. And I see the glitter right away. That is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of has a softer vibe of Fenty Beauty's chocolate. There's a brown one in there, but it has like a brown kind of tint to it, a little bit darker than this, but it has very similar glitter in it, and I love the glitter in that one. So I think that's gorgeous. Can y'all see that glitter? I'm gonna shear it out a little bit just so like that maybe it'll give you a better idea of the glitter. That's gorgeous. I record on my phone, so if justice isn't being served, it's on my end, not on this part, not on the makeup's end. So let's try this one. And I really do like these applicators because they are very easy to use. I have an uneven lip line. If you look at this one kind of curves down a little more, and this one drops straight down. So for me, look, I'm gonna show you. See right there? It just disappears. But this one, I have an actual lip line. So for me, this fits perfectly on my lip, and I can just use it and it'll come out equally on both sides of my unequal lips. So on this one, we're going to swatch here. I think I swatched it somewhere else, but I forgot, and I don't edit, so we're looking at this again. So very nice, y'all. And I want to say this might have like a scent to it, but I just can't smell it. But I smell something kind of sweet, maybe fruity or candy-like, I think. But, I mean, even more importantly, y'all, the formula and the shine is for real. I think that's gorgeous. And I could just sit here and keep doing this, but I won't. Now, the next thing that I got from her, I was so excited about. I got some masks. Now, these did come individually wrapped, but it just so happened when I got these, I was washing some masks that I made, but mine aren't suitable to go out in public. So these are just from some old scrubs, and you can see I just used like a stretchy t-shirt to tie, and I did leave an opening in the middle so like that I can put like filters in there. And then I have like some other ones that we can still tie. Again, these are from old scrubs, and the little pockets on the inside so we can slide our filters in there. This one came out really nice, but again, it's just not suitable to be worn in public. And I was making them mostly for my boyfriend because he's got to go back to work soon. So I ordered this one for him, and they are like reversible, and they're very, very sturdy. And like I said, I already washed these and no fraying at all. And so I ordered this one for myself, and I mean, really, really nice. So look at hers. You know, he won't wear this one in public, but this one totally works for what he needs. And look at mine, all like frayed. But, you know, for us, this isn't a big deal wearing this out to like the grocery store or something. But if he's going to be at work and he's going to have on like nice clothes and a suit and stuff, he needs something a little more suitable. And these were each, I'm certain these were each $5. So I'm really pleased with all of these items. I am going to show you the items that I have for you potentially if you entered my 500 subscriber giveaway. Now, please go show Chanel. That's so hard for me to say with my lisp. Please go show Chanel some love and support, y'all, and let her know that I sent you. Now, as far as these lashes go, the indie brand is Glam by BG. You can find them on Instagram and also online, and these are my Karma lashes, and I wore these and I posted them in a couple videos and y'all loved them, and I do still really like these lashes. I'm gonna keep wearing them to give you an update on them, but go check them out. They're about $10 a piece. And one more indie brand, kinda. One of the few large channels that I watch on YouTube is Sarian. And this is an extra large, and it is really roomy, y'all. Sometimes an extra large is a little snug on me, but you can see that it's long sleeves. It's nice and comfy. It's a soft, not a super soft material, but it's a good t-shirt material. And I really love her Murder, Mystery, and Makeup Mondays videos. Those are almost exclusively the videos that I watch on her channel, but I absolutely love that series. Go check it out if you love makeup and murder. And Shannon Cha, Shannon Cha, Shannon Cha Cha. I love her theme song, y'all. Go check her out. She's so much fun. But if you're a little triggered by like gory horror, real crime, just don't even go check her out. But I will go ahead and let you go. Thank you all so much for joining me. Just know that I am sending positivity to you, and I hope that you're doing what you love. I will talk to you later. Bye, y'all.